pasok ng 2025
Beautiful.
natin.
Agad-agad. Agad-agad. And it's not far talaga. It's only like 7 weeks away. So, pagod niyo yan.
That's right, konting days na lang mapapanood na natin. Pero grabe yung trailer na yun.
Yeah.
And of course, we have to thank our dear creative minds behind Incognito.
Yes, Incognito, here we go. With that said, joining us on...
Thank you so much for joining us tonight. Sana abangan niyo na yung Incognito. Marami pa kayong magagandang makikita at mga exciting na mapapanood. So maraming salamat and sana po ako.
Magandang gabi ulit, and thank you very much.
Munting pelikula ang Incognito. At mag-iingat po. God bless you guys. Love you all. Thank you guys.
Thank you so much.